Southeast Kentucky Community and Technical College has been your neighborhood higher education source since 1960. While honoring our traditions, we've embraced the modern era. From just starting with a few campuses, we've grown to 6 locations. Now serve 4 counties. Join us this spring semester with 16, 12, 8, and 5-week courses available. We've got the flexible schedule you need. Choose in-person or online options that fit your lifestyle. Tomorrow's workforce starts here. We're proud to be your local community and technical college, committed to educating the people of Eastern Kentucky.
I am Southeast.
I am Southeast.
I am Southeast. We are Southeast.
We may have changed over the years, but we still serve you. Enroll today because your future starts now.